Hello dear friend, this is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Resolve for You. You can see on my desktop that this is a very important update about GIMP. You know GIMP is the best alternative of Photoshop and it's a totally free, the best photo editing software. Here you can see this is GIMP 2.10.38. This is the update, very major update. I was waiting this for a long time. The genuine image manipulation program. You can see copyright. These two persons, thanks to these two persons, Spencer Kimball and Peter Mattis, with the help of these two persons who are working tirelessly too much to provide us free software, so we can donate here this software. This is the best software. I make all our YouTube thumbnail using GIMP. So update available. I want to update here. If you use GIMP, you can direct download here. You have to just click here. You see this is the release comment. This is last checked on. This is the date. You can see 10/5/24. So we will just click here. You see now the update is available. Now it will direct to the site here. This is actually site. You see a GIMP site here, and here if you can see current version. The current stable version of GIMP is 2.10.38. This is the current stable version. You can donate here. You see this is the site here, and if you want to donate your $1, $2, $5, it's very important. You can donate. You can if you once you enter the site, you can see here how to donate. You will understand. Now we come here, and I want to download here directly. For you can directly, if you have a Microsoft Store, if you use Windows, directly you can download here GIMP to 2.10.38 on my Microsoft Store, or you can GIMP. You can directly download here. I will directly download here. Now you see our here I am downloading the GIMP here. The process is going here, so we have to wait some moment. Meanwhile, I want to show you the site here. Here you can see GIMP free open source image editors. You can use, you can read about here. This is the website actually. The file is very small here. You see it's a very light-weighted program. 323 MB have just been completed here. Now I click here. We come to the file here. This is our GIMP. This is our GIMP here, a new version, and I will run it as administrator. You see now you have to allow this. No, we allow this. Yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. No, English you can change your you can just choose your language. You see English, Spanish, there are various, Japanese, Hindi. You can even choose Hindi, Russian, any language. I will just I use English. Okay, I just click okay. You see now that we have installments process. Setup file has appeared here. You can customize if you want from here, and I will just install like this. Now you see the setup file is preparing to install GIMP on your computer. So now it's the file is preparing. Just wait. Now after once the GIMP is installed, we will run in this computer, and we will show you the new feature. So here you see automatically close the program. Okay, next we have to just close here file here. Now we are just, you have closed the GIMP because I make a YouTube thumbnail, every YouTube thumbnail on GIMP, so I close the file. This is the best alternative of Photoshop. You don't need to buy a costly heavy software, and here you can do a lot free open source software. So we must donate GIMP. Now, all these files are copying, extracting files. Very soon we will start using GIMP, and we will see how the GIMP is now after update, how it's working. So dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please subscribe. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. Like and share the channel. You see completing the GIMP setup wizard. We have just okay, finish. Now we will restart GIMP here. This is the site of GIMP. Now here you see in our computer, this is GIMP. Oh, you see GIMP is not the updated GIMP is just opening here. So once this is open, if you want to make any thumbnail, you have to just Control N. You can type Control N, and you see here this create image for YouTube. We take because I need to make YouTube thumbnail. For YouTube thumbnail, you know this is the size actually 1280 into 720 HD. We just click here. Okay, and here now it's okay, and I will just click here, and we can change the color of the background because we can tag this background. If I tag this, okay, and now you have to click Shift and B to bucket, Shift plus B to bucket tool, and you will just touch here. You see now this is the color. We will have soon the tutorial about the GIMP full tutorial, and we will learn how to make YouTube thumbnails. And you can come here, and you can take photo. For example, I have photo in F drive here, and I will click here. You see I have all this thumbnail I make on this GIMP actually on YouTube. Every thumbnail I use GIMP. GIMP is the best program to make thumbnail, and it's totally free. Why we don't use this program? And I have this some photo for YouTube thumbnail. I will take, for example, I want to take this photo, and Shift plus S. You see, want to click Shift plus S shortcut, and you can readjust actually. Once I want to readjust in this way, you can make it smaller like in this way. Here you can put here. here you can put in this way. You can make bigger, like you have to, you see this line, you can, when we will start tutorial, and I will one by one I will teach you how to use GIMP. Today we just updated. Once this you adjusted, you just click here scale. Here this is a layer, this is a main layer here. And now we come here, I want to take one more. For example, I was just for demo purposes I am showing you. For example, I want to make a tutorial thumbnail for DaVinci Resolve. We come here, software update, and we have here some PNG. We can take any, for example, I want to take this DaVinci Resolve logo here, and here we can adjust, readjust. We can readjust here. See, you can readjust here like in this way. Here we can put here, for example, here we can make bigger, smaller. For example, I want to make bigger this here. Once it's okay, you can drag from here to here, anywhere you want here. A scale. No, you see, no scale. You type just D on your keyboard, and you can write, you can add text like here. You can draw this line here, you see, in this way. You can draw line, and here you can edit. You can take color, you can choose. I want to choose white. It's a white current, okay. Now I can write here. If you see DaVinci tutorial. Now I will just click here, and we can, from here we can make size bigger here, you see. Otherwise you can directly type here. For example, I type 120 and it will be more bigger, you see. Now you can make this, you see, handle here. You can adjust like up, down, you can do here. You can bigger, smaller, you can make size for the font here. And from here you can change font. So this is short for about update, but I show you how we can make thumbnail. You see, now our thumbnail is ready. Here we can export from here. You see here, export as, you can export as. Here you can type, and you can export from here directly. You can export. So just I don't need. So this is actually you see now after the update, GIMP is working so properly, and it's a very lightweighted, a very powerful programs. We must know GIMP if you work on YouTube or for your client. All type of professional photo editing you can do. It's a totally, you see, after the update, everything I'm reviewing one by one. Now you see it's working light. I'm feeling here it's a very light. Now after, you see here, help, window, filter, this is filter, this is color here, from you can choose color. In this way, dear friend, you can update GIMP. If you want to update, please update the GIMP, and it's not working, it's working fine after the update. And dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels, like, comment, share your view, and write how do you use GIMP, how do you enjoy editing a photo or making thumbnail in GIMP. Try if you make photo and in GIMP you make thumbnail in Canvas or online software, you can make here, try, and you can make very attractive YouTube thumbnail here. You see, I saw you on my channels. When you come here, you see this is my channel here, and you see every thumbnail I have made in GIMP. You see every thumbnail I have made in GIMP here. So you can, this is my channel. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. You can see this. We have a course about DaVinci Resolve, Cadence Live, open source softwares, and you can try. You can just learn online. You can subscribe my channel, and you will learn about the software and various type of software update. Here you see DaVinci Resolve software update here. I have tutorial about the CRX and others video editing software. You can without hesitation join our free class, dear friends. Now we are in a GIMP here, so in this way you can try and see. Once you try GIMP, you will always be with GIMP, and you will not go to this so costly Photoshop, so heavy software, dear friends. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.